What is going on, everybody? Today I am back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips and tricks on getting your first 100 subscribers. If you want to get more tips, tricks, and hacks on growing your YouTube channel, make sure to start now and smash that subscribe button because I will be sharing all my tips, tricks, and hacks to getting bigger. Stay to the very end of the video because every point I prove here is very important. And with that, let's dive straight in. Tip number 1, stay consistent. You can't just post every week on YouTube and expect to go big. For the past month that my channel has been alive, I've had a pretty solid schedule, and that's what boosted me to 100 subscribers in a very short amount of time. If you do the same, maybe you could be just like me. You see, staying consistent on YouTube is vital to success. You can't just post every week and expect to go big. Imagine how much views you're getting right now. Now imagine how many more views you could be getting if you posted more. That is your full potential. So post more consistently. Tip number 2, quality is key. If you're not going to post every day, at least try posting very high quality content every week or so. Nowadays, there are over 200 hours of YouTube film posted every minute. Making mediocre videos is not going to cut it. You need to post videos that stands out from the ocean of videos that is YouTube. Make engaging content that urges your audience to stay for the entire duration of the video, in the same way I did to you. Making videos that keep your audience engaged is extremely important. The YouTube algorithm actually favors these types of videos. Those are your 2 options on YouTube. Either grind every day, making videos consistently, or grind every day, working on a video that will be very high quality, that you will post every once in a while. Either way, you have to grind hard. Tip number 3, make good thumbnails. Thumbnails are absolutely vital to getting video views. This is the very first thing your viewers see before clicking on your video. Would you rather click this or this? Yeah, I bet you chose the second one. A professionally made thumbnail suggests a professionally made video, and a professionally made video is professionally good. That makes sense, right? No, I'm not saying hire a thumbnail mercenary, okay? Like a thumbnail professional or something like that. You just have to learn how to do good design by yourself so that it doesn't just look like a crappy little video from a 2-year-old. One really good thumbnail recommendation I would give you is go to the website Pixlr. Pixlr.com, I'll put the link down in the description. It is a very good website for making thumbnails. Make sure you use that website. It is not sponsored. I just really love that website. It's free too. Great deal. Tip number 4, consider SEO. SEO, search engine optimization. This is the process in which you make sure that the keywords you're targeting are actually being searched. You can't just randomly post videos and expect them to get views. To make sure that your video actually gets to people, you have to make sure people are searching up the video you're targeting. You have to make sure you have the right tags and the right titles and the right descriptions so that you know what people are searching up. You can't just put videos out there and hope for the best. That's not how YouTube works anymore. Some tools you might want to use for search engine optimization, SEO, is Google Trends. It shows you how subjects have been searched up over time. You might want to use TubeBuddy, which I personally use. It integrates its system into your YouTube channel and tells you what to do and what not to do, what's good and what's bad. It gives you tips basically. It's a pretty cool thing. No, this is not sponsored. I'm still a small channel, I can't be sponsored yet. Tip number 5, and probably the most important of them all. Don't be afraid to show people you exist. Your first 100 subscribers are going to be really hard to get unless you tell people about your channel. This means friends, family, maybe even random people on the internet. Just tell them about your channel, tell them to go check it out, tell them to subscribe, and those are probably going to be your first subscribers, not some random people who are watching your video. Because when people see a channel with 0 subscribers, they're not sure if you have a good track record for content yet. But when they see a video with like millions of subscribers, then they already know that that channel has a good track record and they're more likely to subscribe to that channel. So if they see your channel with, let's say, 10 subscribers, which are just your family, they'll just think, oh, this channel has a good track record. I'm safe to subscribe to it. It's not a totally bad, crappy trash channel. So try to get your friends and family to subscribe as be your first few subscribers and you'll just grow from there. And those are my 5 tips to getting your first 100 subscribers. Remember guys, getting those first 100 subscribers is going to be the hardest thing you're going to do on YouTube. Once you hit that milestone, it's taking off. Anyway, thanks for watching everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, if you want to get more tips, tricks, and hacks on growing your YouTube channel, make sure to start now and smash that subscribe button, because I will be sharing all my tips, tricks, and hacks to getting bigger. And with that, we'll see you next time.